How to book Grab car for someone else. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book Grab car for someone else. To book a Grab car for someone else, you need to open up the Grab application. After opening up the app, tap to choose the car option from here. Then, you have to select the location where you want to book a ride. Now select the current location and the destination location from here. You can directly go into the map and choose your pickup location. Also, you can add a stop towards your destination location. Because if you're booking a Grab for someone else, you have to add a stop in it. So now select the location from where you want the Grab to pick up your friend or family member. Then, it will stop at your stop location if necessary. And after that, you'll be able to reach your destination. Also, check out our video on how to book a Grab car in advance. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.